Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use a Facebook ad account for an Instagram advert. Now, if you want to use a Facebook ad account for an Instagram, one of the things you need to do is that, first of all, you need to have a business manager where you will add both the Facebook page and the Instagram account to that business manager. So when you log into the ad manager, come to the left-hand side, click on All Tools, go to Business Settings. Okay. Because of two-factor authentication, they're asking me for a code. So let me just put that one. Confirm. So I've logged in. Now, after you log in, if you click on the business settings and you don't have a business manager, it will direct you to create a business manager account. And it's not anything difficult. You just put your business name and then your email address to create a business manager account for the page. Now, after you create it, you come back, log into the ad manager, then you come here, click on All Tools, then you click on the business settings. So when you click on the business settings, it will bring you here. Now, when you come here, you will see Instagram account and you see pages. So you click on the pages and then you click on add page. So you add the page, the Facebook page, because you should at least have a Facebook page and an Instagram account in that business manager so that you can connect them and be able to use that ad account on your Instagram. So first of all, you have to make sure that you add your Facebook page and then you add your Instagram account. So to add a Facebook page, just click on add here and then click on add page. When you click on add page, it will ask you to put a name. So once you are an admin of the page, when you add the name and then click on add page, it will add it automatically. To add the Instagram account, to just come here and then click on connect. So when you come and click on add, it will say connect to your Instagram account. So you click on the connect, then you will log in and then it will ask you to put the username and password of that Instagram you want to connect. You want to use the Facebook ad account for. So you put the details and then it will connect it automatically for you. Now, if it is connected successfully, you will see something like what you're seeing here because these two are connected to the business manager. Now, after that one is done, okay, what you will now do is that you will come to the Instagram account you want to use for the advert. So let's say I want to use this Instagram. So when you come, you see connected asset. Now, when you come, the ad account, nothing will show under the ad account section if you haven't added any ad account previously. So you will now click on assign assets. And then they will show you all the ad accounts that you can assign it to that Instagram account. So let's say you select something like this and then click on add and it is added. This was already added. I just did it again as a trial for you to see how it is. Now, after you do that, you log into your Instagram, okay? Preferably, well, it can be done both phone or computer, but sometimes on the computer, some of the options might not show, but sometimes it will show. It depends. They keep on updating the systems. Now, when you come, you click on this option, the settings icon, okay? Then you go to settings and privacy. So when you go to settings and privacy, it will ask you to, I think normally, it won't even ask you to log in, but I don't know why they're asking me here today. Oh, okay, I haven't logged in. Oh, that's why I get it. I haven't logged in today. So let me just log in first. Okay. So I've logged into my Instagram account now. So when you come to that particular account you want to use the Facebook ad account for on Instagram, you will come to you click on your profile picture. Then you go to there are two things. You can go to add tools. Okay. Now you will see the ad account. So you see the ad account I want is already there. But if it wasn't that ad account and I want to change, if it was a different ad account and I want to change to this one, I'll just click on switch. So when you click on switch, it will ask you to log in. to Facebook, then you log in. After it logs in, let's log in. Let me refresh it. Continue as. So I'm continuing. So you see, they will say review the Facebook ad account you are using. So you click on change. You can see change Facebook ad account. So when you click on change, you can switch between your Instagram and then the Facebook ad account. Normally by default, the first one that is shown, if you have not connected it to a Facebook ad account before, it will be the Instagram account that will be there. Then when you come to change it, it will not show you the Facebook ad accounts you can choose. Then just choose. So let's say if I want to choose this one, I'll just click on it. Then I'll click on done. And then it will continue. But if I want to change it to a different one, I could have selected the other option and then click on continue, and then it will just continue. But because I don't want to really change, I'll just leave it here for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you follow this procedure and you were not able to do it, let me know. If you also followed it and you were able to do it too, let me know in the comment section. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.